Okay, hello guys, this video is for Empline CTF on TryHackMe. I got all the flags is like 5 minutes ago and I wanna be sale. I love this CTF too much, so I think it's about it. We have to be sold again together. So we have to be deploy the machine, and there's a user txt and the root txt in this machines which in this IP address which IP address using this IP address machine. So that first of all I want to go this IP address is over here, then not like that, there's a root txt. Alright, let me go this IP address, and then first of all we have to be doing and just using mmap scan mmap -sc -sv or something like that, then sorting scan for the ports mmap scan. I use it. So the another important things I think we have to be use GoBuster for this IP address. Let me use GoBuster for finding some directories of this AD ports. Okay, there's an if you can check it, there's an off website. That means that we have an AD ports is open. The other things we have to be doing here, if you got something like that, there's an the about test minimize and employment. There's an two employment, but alright, web analyst and system admin. There's an James and George Tessa. Alright, let me controller U here. So I'm gonna control find and come for George. There's an let me come over here, George Tessa, and another thing is James, I think. Let me go James. James Ginger, like that, definitely. Let me copy this and paste it here. So the another things you have to be know about it. There's an if you got to check your this IP address, there's an some different things. There's an different things on these tabs. The tabs is giving us the words, so that means that we can add these tabs words to on our etc host file. So we have to be go actually is over here. Let me go nano and etc host and come over here, not here. Alright, and copy the IP address and paste here, and add empline.tryHackMe. That is it's really necessary for us because there's some domain is working on this. So I want to go the empline.tryHackMe here. This given as same things, there's the same website here. And another things I think we have to be doing here, if there's another domains or the domains, which domains is using the subdomains, so we have to be check it. And where can we check it? Just say controller U on the website and controller F to find some things. Come over here and empline.tryHackMe. So if you got this, there's an HTTP jobs empline the carriers. You can empline.tryHackMe and what? No, got this. Alright, let me go back. There's an HTTP job empline.tryHackMe and carriers. Let me copy this for save or notes and add this in etc host one more time. So come over here, the IP address. So I'm gonna say job the empline.tryHackMe controller and controller X. Alright, cool. Let me go for now HTTP. The giving the subdomain is job and domain is empline.tryHackMe. Nope, it's not working. Okay, I'm gonna say HTTP job empline.tryHackMe. I think it's not working. Yeah, we got it. So there's an job empline.TryHackMe file. What we got before the files. There's an some director we have to be go about it. There's an carriers we have to be go. I think there's an carriers, and let me go to carriers. So there's an open cats carriers patch is over here. So I'm gonna say RSS feed. Nope. Show all jobs. Let me go back, visit our website. There's a website, the current opening position. There's a department is general position, mobile developer, and the location in Empline LDA. So I wanna be use exploit. Alright, exploit open cats, right? Alright, open cats. The Empline, the open cats here. Alright, let me mobile dev and apply to their location is Empline and the opening is 3 and the salary range. Alright, apply the position now. We have to be looking for exploit open cats. Alright, this is like here, not like there. Yeah, right? Nope. Alright. Exploit open cats. Is there any words we have to be added? No. Open cats carriers page. Alright. Carriers page. Nope. Alright, let me go controller hash and there's an some here. Okay. You have to be go TDO dot security for them offensive security and application security perspectives. There's some givings us how can we exploit open cats, and that's really cool, I think. So there's a vulnerability walkthrough. Open cats has a carries portal page as a list of jobs applications to weave the apply for any available jobs. So what we are doing here, I think is there an okay, also you can create doc file with the Python scripts. I know this is basic stuff, but I am just providing the 5 different position. Okay, yeah, come over here. I think it's cool. There's nothing, right? Alright, let me say solve script Python. So alright, let me use like that. So okay, come over here and say it. Alright, user binary environment to Python and from docs import document document with like that and is equal to document. Yep, and we have to be added like that, and link paragraph is equal to document add paragraph. Yeah, like that, right? Parag is a paragraph. Yep. So let me add here Reginald. Yeah, like the Reginald. Though you can add your names, it doesn't matter. This is just value, you know about it. So let me say document save with resume docs. Yeah, like that. Let me control save it and try to run. There's a script Python. The Python is a script Python. So there's an we got the resume docs here. You can check it if you are looking for it. Alright, there's an Python create button the ls. Yeah, we got this. There's an resume docs is over here, and okay, there's an browse. Yeah, let me go here, browse. Alright, resume docs is here, upload. Yeah, now we got regional dot. That means this Python script is giving us regional dot here. So the another things we have to be do it. Let me go here, do it with unzip, not like that, resume docs. So there's two menu files, we got it. So there's a context types and custom XML file, doc wraps files, documents or else documents, word documents or something like that. So it's I think inflating the word document XML. So let me go cd word less under you can use it, but there's a document XML is over here. So I wanna be close it and say sublimate the documents XML. So if we're gonna check it, there's some things about for us. So XML version is like that, and then we have to be added something here. I think yeah, we have to be added this. Let me copy this and save here. I'm gonna be controller save it. So I think it's time to what to doing here actually. Alright, let me zip. Yeah, we have to be zip like that. Resume. Is there any? Alright, let me go back. Yeah, zip resume docs forward document XML. Now it's document XML updating. So I think it's time to come over here and browse one more time, to select resume docs one more time and upload. This give us nothing, right? Alright, let me do it one more time. Upload. Nope, it's not working. So I'm gonna be controller save one more time and browse resume docs and upload. No, it's not working. Why? Okay, is there any problem to me with this? Yep. Yeah, definitely. There is an XML version. This is different things we have to be added. So let me stop the video and do it one more time. So we got it. We just have to try the different somethings, and there is another things we have to be doing here. Just let's go here and copy all of it, do it there, and do it. It's giving us the same things, but there's you can use with copied, but there's no use with copy. So the another things I think we have to be doing is there's let me come over here and there's George. The George, I think we have to be get the George or James password. So what we're doing now. Alright, let me say it. So I think we have to be copied the another things. I think is over here, right? Okay, let me copy this and delete all of us and save it again. So I think it's time to go zip one more time and come over here, browse resume docs and upload. So this is something different for us. I think we have to be go cyber chef. Let me copy all of it here. So cyber chef like that. So I think it's working. What is this? Let me do it. No. Alright, cool. Let me delete all of us here and paste it. And when you get the output is like that, there's something is different to us. So I think it's important things is over here. Let me go there. Okay, is there another important things? Yeah, we got this James. We got the James database. So if you go to your mmap scan, there's an 330650. There's an MySQL is. MySQL is already here. It is open the ports and that's really cool. Now it's time to I think using MySQL. Alright, let me come over here and MySQL dash hash for that means you have to be at host name and dash u. Alright, let me open it, and our username is James, and dash p, enter it. So it's asked me a password. Let me copy the password and add here. So we are now getting there's an we got my SQL injection. There's an 33. It's actually 3306 port is open. That means we got the MySQL injection is over here. So I think it's time to show databases for saying databases. There's an information schema. There's already all of days over here. Then there's an open cats is different. So we have to be use open cats, I think. Reading a table information for count table columns names. You can turn off this feature as current start with the no database is changing, and I want to be run select from user, and add this. Now we got something. I think is the we know James and James password, but we don't know the George password. There's a George hash of George password hash. Alright, that means we have to go crack station for getting the password. Alright, let me add this. I'm not a robot. Crack hashes. Now we got the George password for, I think it's for the SSH. Alright, let me try the SSH. I'm gonna say SSH George and give this IP address here. Enter it. So let me say yes, and the password is over here. There's a Proton web MS like that. I have no idea what we're doing it. So alright, we hacked the machine. Now we hacked the George terminal. There's an user txt. If you're gonna say cat user.txt cat-t. Alright, cat-t2, right, or something like that. There's an we know about the user txt. Now if you can check cat user txt, there's an already you can check your first flag. So another flags we have to be using I think sudo -l and give this. Sorry, user George may not run the sudo onto Empline. Alright, let me say find -perm -u equal to s, and 2 is bigger than developer and null. So it will be fine, I think, for us. There's another things we have to be gathered. Let me check it. Let me check it over for it. But there's nothing. I got it. So there is nothing for us, I think, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me clear it. Then do it. The another things. I'm gonna say get cat and -r is /2 is bigger than developer and now again. So yep, we got the user binary metro packets and user local binary ruby cap to chown plus AP. So let me not like that. Alright, I'm gonna say exploit for user local Linux flag hack and articles or hacked records. We have to be check it, I think. Alright, get cap, we got it now. Alright, we know all of it now is over here. Not Python, I want to be use Ruby. Okay. No. Alright, let me go crypto binaries and choose Ruby. I think we have to be choose Ruby. Yeah, like that. and sudo. No, but it's not done with using sudo. There is no sudo file. Okay. Alright. Ruby for escalate. No, escalate. No, I'm gonna say Ruby for privilege escalation. Okay, Ruby privilege escalation nodes is here, but not this, not like this. Okay, I know something Ruby, but I don't wanna try. I wanna find it actually. Alright, let me try the Ruby, how can be using it. Let me say Ruby dash e, dash e, yeah, something like that. So there's a file, I wanna be add this file like that, shown, and yeah, I'm gonna say 1001 and 1002, and yeah, add here to etc shadow. Let me enter it. Maybe it's working. Yep, it's working. I think it's time to search modes. That means we have to be doing here the forgetting the Ruby, and we now search mode for the etc shadow. I think we have to be change it root password with this. So I'm gonna say search mode like this, using this, and etc passwd. So let me no shadow, not passwd. Alright, let me say search mode. Operation is not terminated. Okay. Alright, let me do it one more time. Alright, alright, let me say open SSL before. I wanna be give new password open SSL for, I'm gonna say linear, and this is our new password here. So can we go nano etc shadow, nano etc shadow, let me go it. So come over here, no, controller X. Okay, let me save it, copy selection, and save here. These are our new passwords, open SSL. So nano one more time to roots, to changing root password. There's an already hashes with password, but we have to be changing it because we cannot correct this hash. It's not like possible. I wanna be controller shift V for getting it, and controller O, enter, and controller X. Now will discard chance yes. Alright, controller O, enter, and control X. Nope. Alright, why is not working? I'm gonna say clear again, and yep. Alright, let me say alright, I'm gonna be cheating here, Ruby dash E, and use file dot chow, and 132. Alright, and 1002 again. So add here the etc shadow. No. Alright, let's add this. So search mode 7770 to for etc shadow, yeah, like that. Alright, it's now it's working. So let me go nano etc shadow. So you have to be coming over here with the like there. So delete all of us to root. Alright, let me add this and Ctrl O, enter and Ctrl X. Now you can use zero root and the password is linear. So you're now, I'm gonna go see the root. So you're now root, and that means that you can gather root TXs so easy. There's an you can submit flags is over here. I don't want to be share with you this flags. The first I will just place the machine this one, and also thanks for Mastashino of finishing your stock was good hacking. Thank you. Okay guys, this video is so good. I'm sorry. This CTF I think is so good, so I love this CTF. I want to be like it. So thank you for watching it.